Hello students, I am going to start with exercise 11.1 and the first question is a square and a rectangular field with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter, which field has a large area. Okay, so question is saying like there are two fields given, okay, one is square field and another one is rectangular field, okay, and both have same perimeter. Both have what? Same perimeter, and we have to find which field has a larger area. Okay, which field had what? Has a larger area. We have to find that. So, if we check square, okay, so square means all these sides are equal, right? Square means what? All these sides are equal, means 60 meter. All the sides is how much? 60 meter. And rectangular length is given 80 meter. Why? Opposite sides are equal. Right? Rectangular means opposite sides are equal. So in rectangular, length is given and breadth we have to find. So that question is asking, find which field has a larger area. So to find area, we can find directly, but the problem is area of a square is side square, right? But area of a rectangular is length into breadth. Length we have, but breadth we don't have. That's why first we'll find perimeter. Why? Because with measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. So first we'll find the perimeter. With the help of perimeter we'll get breadth. After getting the breadth, then we'll find larger area. Okay students? So solution, perimeter of rectangular equal to perimeter of square. So if I check, perimeter of a rectangular is 2 length plus breadth, okay, equal perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So 2 length is given how much? 80 meter, and breadth we have to find. 4 into side, which is given 60 meter. So will not multiply, will just carry 2 this side. Okay, why? Because I will multiply, then it will be a long process. We'll go with the shortcut. So 80 meter plus breadth equal 4 into 60 meter. Now 2 into, right, in between there is no sign, it's mean multiplication sign. So it will carry another side, it will be divided. So 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now 80 meter plus breadth equal to 120 meter. So breadth equal 120 meter minus 80 meter. So it's 40 meter. So how much we got breadth? Breadth is 40 meter. Right. So now we can find area. Okay, because we got breadth, so we can find area. So now we'll find area. Area of rectangle equal length into breadth, which will be 80 meter into 40 meter. So it will be 3200 meter square. And area of a square equal side square. So 60 meter. So it will be 3600 meter square. Now we have to find which has larger area. Okay. So if we compare, 3200 meter square has rectangle and square has 3600 meter square. So it means square has greater field than rectangle, right? So since 3600 meter square greater than 3200 meter square, therefore area of the square field is greater. So this is solution number 1. I hope student, all of you understand. If there is any queries or doubt, you can ask, please. So, thank you.